Love, Nanay and Claire.
Hello KaFam! Welcome to our channel. Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. It feels like yesterday when we decorated our room for the Halloween season. We were excited about our witch's room, but days pass so quick that we have to remove and keep them till next year. So long, witch.
Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay. It's looking so cute. And this is Nanay. Hi. And this is Claire. Welcome on channel. Kia? Okay.
Diri ho. Diri pa kadto ho.
Okay, yes ko na. What do we do, KaFam? Nanay's wake up sa wood.
If you have already seen our channel, you will notice how we make most of what we have. So for today's video is another creative idea again from Nanay and Claire, how our waste should not be wasted.
I have a Christmas tree.
Go, go.
Let's go. What is this, KaFam? Oh yeah, that's inside. Oh, mango seeds, mango seeds, mango seeds, mango seeds.
As I discuss global warming to my students almost every day, I felt guilt how our waste is far behind from those living in developed countries. Makes me more think of becoming eco-friendly, and so I hope Claire will be aware of the global threat. One of Filipinos' admirable traits is being resourceful. It can be showcased through how we cook a new dish from leftovers, how we make a new notebook from unused pages of old notebooks from the last school year, how we make a new design of clothes out of old ones, and how we make new things new out of scraps. No doubt almost all homes in the Philippines have at least one DIY project display or in use.
And we decorated! Let's go, Nanay na. Let's go. Let's show decorations now. Let's go.
As we said, food delivery has been so helpful for us during this pandemic, and one of our most ordered is fresh lemon juice, which has been Claire's new favorite. She can drink 3 cups of it from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So don't wonder why we were able to collect 56 paper cups, which we will be using as our ornaments for these dried branches.
You see? That's so cool. That's my favorite color pink. Like, but Nanay's help me because I don't know how to open this. Nanay's help me. I'm watching for Nanay. Okay? Here. You can borrow it. Share is here.
We first thought to use it as pots for our plants, but we got an idea how we can be more creative before we actually turn them into pots. After Christmas season, for sure, they will be. Imagine how many tons of waste we produce each day. And Annie Leonard said, "There is no such thing as a way. When we throw anything away, it must go somewhere." Imagine, we are just keeping our homes clean, but little do we know, we are making other places filthy. Instead of throwing waste one after another, why not we do our part in doing our 3 R's? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Easy to say, but let's admit that we prefer convenience rather than doing the 3 R's. It's a sad reality, but we can if we will make it our habit and add it into our values. Look around you and think twice of what you throw, because you might have an insight of reusing and recycling them. Who knows? Since we can't wait to hang these 56 paper cups as our balcony Christmas decor, we will skip putting more lights first. We are thinking to hang more Christmas lights or LED blinkers since it's pretty dark here. Let us know in the comment section how can we improve our project. But for now, we pretty feel good already of what we have done. This year will be less shopping for Christmas decors since we have piled old ones already that we will share to you soon as we continue our Vlogmas series 2020. After all, it's good for our brains to think creatively and good for our body to have a little walk and work here and there. May this Christmas season be a reminder to us of simplicity in our ways, but abundant in our faith. Love, Nanay and Claire.